Sam and I started Unity in October 2023, and we were determining what product do we go with. And IKO to check all the boxes for us.
We met with a sales rep from IKO. He showed us the IKO Dynasty Shingle beside a competitor shingle. He asked me to tear off the shingle. When I went to tear off the IKO shingle, I was amazed at the strength that it had. When I went to rip off the competitor shingle, it just came right off. So I was really, really impressed by that. The homeowner today picked IKO Dynasty Glacier, which is beautiful.
There's so many features and benefits of IKO Dynasty. One of the things that's come up a lot lately is the color choices.
How they blend together just really enhances the curb appeal.
Coming in IKO Roof Pro just lends credibility. For us, it was just kind of a benchmark. We felt more established, and the resources that opened up helped us to grow at a different level.